cryptocurrency. You've probably heard about it: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? How does it work, and why are so many people talking about it? In this video, we're diving into the basics of cryptocurrency. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of what crypto is, how it works, and whether it's something you might want to explore further. So let's get started. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money. Unlike the cash in your wallet or the money in your bank, cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means it isn't controlled by a government or bank, but instead operates on a technology called blockchain. I think of blockchain as a digital ledger, a secure online record of every transaction made with cryptocurrency. This ledger is distributed across thousands of computers, which means no single person or entity controls it. Instead, it's managed by a network of users all over the world. Now that we know what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about what makes it unique. Decentralization. As we mentioned, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are decentralized. There's no central authority, which is part of why crypto is appealing to so many people. Transparency. Since all transactions are recorded on the blockchain, anyone can view them. This transparency is built into the system, making fraud much harder. Anonymity. While transactions are visible, the identities behind them are not. Instead of using names, transactions are linked to wallet addresses which look like a long string of numbers and letters. Limited supply. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have a fixed supply, meaning only a certain number of coins will ever exist. This scarcity is part of what makes them valuable. Alright, so how do you actually get your hands on some crypto? There are a few common ways. One popular way is through crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These are online platforms where you can buy, sell, or trade various cryptocurrencies. It's as easy as creating an account, linking a payment method, and buying your first coins. Another method is called mining. While this method requires special hardware and software, mining essentially means that you're using computer power to solve complex problems on the blockchain. In return, you earn small amounts of cryptocurrency. Mining is typically for more advanced users. And finally, some people earn crypto by working or performing tasks for crypto payments. There are even apps that offer crypto rewards for things like walking or playing games. Not all cryptocurrencies are the same, and they have different purposes. Here are a few of the most popular ones. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Many think of it as digital gold because it's scarce and valuable. Ethereum. Ethereum is more than just a currency, it's a platform where developers can build decentralized applications, or dApps. This flexibility makes it extremely popular. Litecoin. Created as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin offers faster transaction times and lower fees. Dogecoin. Originally created as a joke, Dogecoin gained popularity thanks to its community and support from high-profile figures. Let's break down some of the pros and cons of using cryptocurrency. High potential for growth. Some people have made significant returns from investing in crypto. Decentralized. No central authority controls your money. Easily accessible. You can trade 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Security risk. While blockchains are secure, exchanges and wallets can be hacked. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Volatility. Cryptos are known for their extreme price swings, which can be risky. Cryptocurrency can be exciting and offers unique opportunities, but it's not for everyone. If you're thinking about investing, it's important to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching this beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. We hope this helps simplify some of the basics. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.